Hey, this is Dinesh with another video. So today we're going to see the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus unboxing and its features. And here is the box, and it just states Note 10 Plus in the front, and the S Pen is being here, which is the hot selling point of Note series. On the other side you can see the barcodes, which is being here, and if you go to the sides it just says Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. In the back it has the features which are being listed here, and a lot of things being given here. And here it tells Indian SIM card only, which means it is made only for India. And let's open the box right now and see how the phone looks. And once you open, you can see the SIM ejector tool here and some packaging. Let's open the package. And here you can find the casing and some warranty card. And this is the case, transparent case, which is nice and flexible. These are some warranty cards here. Let's put it aside. So here comes the phone itself. The phone itself feels very good and premium. Let's put the phone aside and see what else is there in the box. And here it comes with the 25 watts USB-C supercharging brick. The phone also supports 45 watts charging, but you need to buy it separately. And here it has the black AKG USB-C headphones. It's of in-ear earphones, and it has the good build quality. And here it has the black USB-C to USB-C cable for the charging. It has the massive 6.8-inch Quad HD Plus screen with the center punch hole camera. The 6.8-inch display takes up the entire front of the phone with an edge-to-edge design with the proper pixels. And the curved display comes to a fine point, making it satisfyingly sharp in more ways than one. And let's see the physical view of this phone. On the side it comes with the power on-off button and a volume rocker. In the top you have the SIM tray, noise cancellation, and a microphone. On the other side you have nothing, it's just blank. At the bottom it comes with the S Pen, charger port, and a main microphone. The face unlock feature works faster than before, and even the fingerprint reader works flawlessly well. It has the Samsung Pay. With the Samsung Pay, it is easy to jump into the world of contactless payments. You can simply tap your phone to pay without handing your physical credit or debit cards. All you need to do is register your credit or debit card into the Samsung Pay account. The back of the phone looks so elegant with a vertical triple camera system with two flash LEDs and a depth camera. And with this Aura Glow model, the phone reflects lights with some amazing colors. And this phone is based on the Exynos 9825 Octa-core processor. It comes with a 12 GB of RAM and 256 GB of internal storage. It has dual nano SIM slot with a hybrid micro SD card slot. It has triple camera. One is 12 megapixel, the other is 16 megapixel wide angle, and the other one is 12 megapixel for the zoom. And it also comes with the front camera with the 10 megapixel. And it has 4300 mAh battery with 25 watts, 45 watts quick charging support. And in the box it comes with the Android Pie operating system. The Note secret weapon is the S Pen. And now the S Pen comes with the new tricks. While the screen is off, you can pick your S Pen and scribble down your quick notes. No need to turn on the display and it will automatically get stored in your note section. And you can convert the scribble notes into a proper text file with just a click and you're ready to go. And it also comes with the AR gesture, which allows you to zoom in and out of the camera view with a clockwise, counterclockwise rotation and swipe through the menus using a left and right flick motion. And it also comes with the remote shutter function. As for the camera goes, it has the most fun to use cameras with the ultra wide, normal, telephoto and depth sensing lens on the back. 12.3 megapixel main camera benefits from its night mode. It picks up the low light shots crisp and clear. The video recording also comes with the ultra wide option and with the super steady optical image stabilization to get that smoother video recording. In the camera options, you get different shooting mode like Pro, Panorama, Food, Night, Live Focus Video, Pro Video, Super Slow Motion, Hyperlapse and Instagram. AR Zone software provides AR related features such as AR Emoji, AR Doodle, Emoji Studio, stickers, Quick Measure. Let's check the Quick Measure. With the help of Quick Measure, you can measure any objects. And it has the home decorative option. Just by clicking here, you can decorate your home. With this, you can virtually decorate your home by just including the objects which are present in this AR platform. So just for sample, let's go inside and download a object and just place it here and see. As you can see it, I have placed an object here like a light which is focusing my plant. It works really well. It has the zoom in audio function which helps amplifying the subject you're zooming. In this phone you have the power share option. Drag the status bar, go to the power share icon, just click on it and now it's ready to share the power. Now you can place any of the device and the device will get charged. Now I'm giving the Apple Watch and you can see it's getting charged just by enabling the power share option. The 3D scanner app take advantage to scan and create 3D models of real world objects. As you can see, I managed to get some sort of 3D model from this plant. That's all about the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel.